Hey guys, we're out here before deer season starts, checking on some stands, putting up some new ones. We just want to go over a few safety tips so you can have a safe and enjoyable season. Okay, so the most important thing about being safe while hunting in a stand or hanging a stand is that you need to be connected to the tree at all times. When your feet are not on the ground, you need to be completely connected. This tree is it's new. So we have to hang a safety line up at the very top. This could be an instance where somebody would want to climb the ladder without being connected. But you can use a lineman's belt, and you just wrap it around the tree, pull it up as you go. Once you get to the top, you can adjust your safety line with the prusik knot that you can slide up as you go. But this is the initial way to get started and be safe when your feet leave the ground.